Hi, in this lecture we will take a look how to create an Android production build. Production and development builds are a bit different. Different app publishing platforms can have a different requirements. Import the app icon and open the plate setting to place the default icon. Here we have different settings for icons and resolution and presentation for the splash image, and at the start of your application how the splash will look like. Go to other settings and here is a bundle ID, app version and app version code. We can set minimum API level and target API level. For now, I will be selecting a 26. Scripting backend can be changed from here. The most important thing in the production app is how we can sign the app. Go to publishing setting and open the key store manager, create a new key and save it. Because every time for the production build, you have to sign the key with this file. If you lost this key, you won't be able to update your app in the production. This is the password of your key file. Add some relevant name to your app, and this is your alias project key password. And you can write the same password. Validity of your app 50 is enough, but I will make it to 100. Enter your first and last name, organization unit, information technology, IT, city, province, and country code. Okay, my password is not 6 character. Let's make it to 6. And this also should be 6 character. Add key, press OK. From here you can select the key store file and type the password. Now we are ready to make our production build. Go ahead and create one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next lecture.